since the very beginning of the channel's inception, the description for on the about section of my channel has been, my name is Andrew Sage. I'm trying to learn and explore as much as possible. And that, I think, is really what drives the wide variety of subjects that I explore in my work. Desire, the flame, the passion for learning that I've had as a child, that pure curiosity, that voracious exploration and of books, none of that was tampered or dampered by traditional schooling. And so I believe I was able to flourish in a way that I may not have been able to if I had gone through that experience. And so to this day, I still have that fire to try and learn and explore as much as possible. And I think that is what makes me who I am. And I think it's also what has led to my channel's existence today and also my current political philosophy and outlook.